So what I'm going to do now is I've already put it together. I've let it set for a while. I'm going to leave the pins in for a little while longer. Take a little foam tack, put it on here. Because these are foam hinges, so I'm kind of doing a little preventive maintenance to the foam hinges. Just paint a little foam tack in there, like this. I don't know, people say they use this, they use tape, they use hinges and stuff. I'm not going to wait for, you know, it's probably don't even need it, but I'd rather be a little on the safe side. And this takes so long, it's like I haven't even had a drink of my beer yet. Oops. A little much, we'll take care of that. This stuff is water soluble. Water soluble. You don't need a whole lot of it. Look over here. Kind of clean some of that out. Don't need a, there we go, that's perfect. It's flexible. I've used it for hinge repairs, like if a hinge rips off. But I'll tell you, I've never lost a hinge. I've crashed planes where I thought they were totaled. The planes, I thought they were totaled. And I've never lost a plane using foam tack. Over here, let's rock it down. Yeah, I got that in there good, so that's good. It's good up there. All right, before we go on, we'll stop. Get my trusty towel, a little bit of water. Just a little bit on there, just wipe it off. It dries clear. It will yellow a little bit after time, but you know, that's like I've got planes that I've done this like 8 years ago. And you know, they still work, they still hold. All right, that side's done. Let's flip it around. I really like this plane. I think it's going to fly great. I haven't bound up anything on it yet. I used foam tack on the winglets and the horizontal. Let's see. Let's rock it there. Get some in there. Like, you probably don't have to. I mean, the quality seems really good on this. But I don't know. I'd rather take a few minutes here, because where I break most of my hinges is banging it on something in the hauler. I put it in the hauler, or carrying it through. This isn't good. This is going to be a garage plane. It's not going to be a house plane. Just kind of scrub it in there. That's all it takes, just a light coats. I'm using my little parts bowl. This thing I use to, like when I'm doing JB Quick, this is my JB Quick lid. Need a little bit more, just a little bit more. Perfect. Let's put the lid on. There we go. Then it cleans up on water, so I just put that in there. I'm going to close these up. Well, the servos feel nice though. Clean the brush. It's water soluble. It dries. It's just as good as foam tack. It just takes a little while longer to dry. So you see I got pins sticking in, everything, holding everything in. I use the hobby pins. I use my wife's sewing pins. She doesn't care because the glue, once I showed her that the glue doesn't dry. That's it. The brush is done. Let's see. Wet this down. Let's come up here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get in there. Oops. Boom. Boom. That's it. That's all you got to do. Let it dry. See, I got some right there. Just use the damp cloth, let it dry. And it's perfect. I guarantee it, you know, if I crash it, it dries clear too. So there you go. That's how you foam tack hinges on a plane. I've done it to, good grief, just about every foam plane that I've got that's got hinges, I foam tack it because it doesn't take very long to do it. Well, hope you're having a great day. I'm working on another video, my flight video. If you get it on your fingers, it'll just wash off. The bottom looks good. Let's see what the top looks like. And you don't have to be as neat as I'm being about it, but there you go. That's it. Foam tacked. Foam tacked and ready for the maiden tomorrow. Just gotta bind it and set my throws and then figure out the CG, and away we go. We'll be flying it tomorrow morning. Well, hope you're having fun with your Arrows RC Viper from Hanger Rats. Make sure you use Pilot Ryan's link. Those of you that are thinking of getting this, go to Pilot Ryan Media and click on Pilot Ryan's links. He's a good guy. He's good for the RC community and it helps him. But hope you're having a great Friday. I'm having a great Friday. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-h